Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be telling you what I got for my birthday. It was my 24th birthday on the 7th of September, which was just a couple of days ago from now, and I just wanted to show you what presents I got, who got me what, and yeah, I'm super excited about the presents that I received. And thanks everybody as well for my birthday messages on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, everywhere. I really appreciated it. I felt very loved, and I got really nice presents as well, and I got to spend it with my family, which I really loved. So if you want to see what I got for my birthday, then carry on watching and enjoy the video. So we're going to go straight into the video and show you what I got. I'll just tell you beforehand what happened. So on Saturday, my birthday was on Monday, the 7th. So on Saturday, the 5th, me and my boyfriend went out for the day. So in the morning at about 12 o'clock we went bowling. We played 3 games, he won all of them, I'm a loser. So then we went out for a little drive. We went up to like a place about an hour away. It was really nice. We went on a boat there, like the car on the boat, like a ferry. And we went to this like nice little rooftop kind of restaurant. It was overlooking the beach and the whole sea and everything. It was really, really nice. It was like on the edge of a cliff. We went there and had a hot chocolate with marshmallows and cream. It was really nice. We were going to get like cocktails or something, but they didn't really. It was more of a restaurant-y kind of cafe. It was really cute, so we got hot chocolates instead. And then we went up to a garden centre and just had a little look around for a little while. Obviously my boyfriend was dragging out the time because when we got home, after about 5 hours, we were absolutely knackered. We got home and there was, well, basically we've got like a 3-story house. So on the first floor it's just like our garage, garden and like entryway basically, where we've got all our shoes and stuff. So we went into, I got in, took my shoes off, and I could hear Ed Sheeran playing, so I was like, huh? And Ed Sheeran's my favourite singer, if you didn't know. So then I started walking upstairs and I was like, have I left the TV on or something? I was so confused. But when I walked upstairs, my whole family were in the front room and shouted surprise, and there were pink balloons everywhere. There were these 24 balloons up. There was a Jeffree Star cardboard cutout, and there was a massive pink cake which was so cute. I'll insert a picture here so you can see my cake because it was so pretty. Honestly, it didn't even look real. It was so nice. And when you cut it in half, I'll upload a picture here as well. There's like 3 layers, so it's like kind of white, light pink and dark pink. It was really nice. I've been really trying to eat through it the last few days, even though I'm on a diet, but you gotta eat your cake. But yeah, so my boyfriend surprised me with all of that. He bought everything. There was a big buffet. Then we went downstairs into the garden and they had done a barbecue as well. So we all sat around, we had the barbecue, we were just chatting, we played a bit of Twister and had a few drinks, and then everybody went home. And it was a really nice night, and it was a really nice surprise as well. So I'm very grateful, and thanks to my boyfriend for all that, because he didn't need to do all that, and it was really, really nice. He did it on the Saturday so everybody could arrive. But let's get into the presents. So on Monday was my birthday. So I woke up at 5:30 in the morning to open my presents. I was super excited. I was like a kid. So the first one I'm going to show you, it was actually the last one that I opened out of all my presents, but it's the one I want to show you because I'm most excited about it. My boyfriend got me a big card, and inside was this, which is a holiday to Morocco. So I was so excited. He's just put here, he calls me Charles, to Charles, happy 24th birthday, love Sam. So my boyfriend has actually bought us a holiday to Morocco in May. He's left it a bit of time just so we've got time to save, but also because of the COVID-19 situation, we just wanted it to kind of leave before we go on holiday, so we're being sensible about it as well. So we're going to Marrakesh in Morocco, and I'm so excited. We've seen some of the pictures. I have seen the hotel that we're staying at, and I was just so excited. So I'm so grateful, and that's honestly the nicest present. So we're going on holiday, which I'm so excited for. So on the topic of my boyfriend's presents, I'll show you them first. He also got me, which I really wanted when it was released, is the Orgy palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is honestly the nicest palette. It's got every like nude you need in your life on here. So he got me this palette, which yeah, I've done a review on it, so it'll probably be coming after this video. But yeah, I'm really happy with this, and I just think that is the nicest thing, and I love Jeffree Star, so I was super happy. He also got me this Jeffree Star jumper, which come in the collection. This is the teddy jumper, I believe, but it's so soft. I haven't took it off since he gave it to me. This one didn't actually come on my birthday. This come yesterday, so 2 days after my birthday, because it was just late in the post, but it's the softest jumper and I really wanted it, but it was a bit expensive. But yeah, he got that for me as well, so I'm very grateful. Another thing that he got me, which I wanted for so long, was a Polaroid camera. I actually, a lot of you probably don't know, but I actually studied photography in school and I really loved photography. I used to go out all the time and take a lot of pictures, and I've always wanted one, honestly, since like probably like 5, 6, maybe more years. I've wanted a Polaroid camera. I think they're the coolest things, and I really wanted this pink one just because it's super cute, and I just love I love the look of Polaroid pictures, and I also love the look of a Polaroid and the way it just comes out of the picture instantly. I really like that, and I think it's just different. And yeah, I've wanted one for so long, so I wasn't expecting him to get me one, but he did get me one with the refills as well. He got me like 50 refills for it, so I've got a lot of pictures to be taken with it, so I'm really happy about that. We did take a picture when he gave it to me, which is this one. I won't show you too close up because I'm looking rough and it's like first thing in the morning, but we've taken a picture with it. So it's got a space on the bottom as well where you can write, I think, so I'm going to write on them like what it was. I was super spoiled by my boyfriend because he has got me so much, it's ridiculous, but he also got me Just Dance 2020 for the Nintendo Switch. We've got a Switch and I absolutely love playing games on it. We've got Mario Kart, which we non-stop play. My boyfriend plays a lot of games on it on his Twitch channel as well, but yeah, so he got me this, and I wanted it more as also, if you didn't know, which you probably didn't, I also used to compete in like the World Championships as a dancer as well, and I did that for literally about like 7, 8 years. I was a dancer, so I love dancing, and I don't do it anymore, but I still love dancing, so this game is like perfect for me because I can dance at my own home. I can compete against people around the world and stuff on here, and I just, yeah, I love it, and it's also a workout, so I'm so happy that he got me this as well. And then I think it's 3 other things that he got me. He got me these 2 bath bomb sets. They are so cute. They were full of bath bombs, both of them, and I'm like a lover of bath bombs. I have a bath basically every day. I also have showers, but I just love to soak in a bath. It just relaxes me, it calms me down. So he got me them, which I haven't actually used any yet, but I did take them all out of the box, and I bought this container for them. Like, look how many there are. I'll try and show you without dropping them all. But look how many bath bombs there are. It's literally full. So I'm stocked up for a very long time, which I'm so happy about. The last thing that he got me was this little plant pot. I don't really watch Avengers or anything like that, but I love Groot just because I think he's so cute. And this is a little plant pot, so it's got like a hole in the bottom and it goes through his neck out of here. So you can put a little plant in. I'll probably get like a little succulent or something to put in there. And I just think it's so cute. So that was all my presents from my boyfriend. I'm so grateful. He literally got me so much and a holiday. So thank you so much to Sam. I really appreciate it, and I'm just so grateful of how much he got me. He spent like a ridiculous amount, so thank you. So next we'll move on to my mum and my dad and my little sister. They got me some really nice presents as well. So one is that my sliders that I bought from Turkey broke the other day and I was gutted. I wear them to the shop, in the garden, I just wear them out constantly, and they broke and I was really gutted. So my mum bought me some new ones. These are actually Puma ones, and I actually think they're really cute. They've got like these little, like, what are they called? Like little black pearls, I guess, in them. And the little Puma logo on. So I think these are really cute. I've used them a lot already, and they're super comfortable as well. They're like all padded as well. So these are really cute and they're actually really nice. I've never even seen any like that, so I really like them. Another thing that they got me were this pajama set, which I wanted and I kept going on about it. It's this Monsters Inc. pajamas. If you see my Primark haul, you'll see that I got the Pinocchio ones, and I seen these the other day and I really wanted them, so I've got the Monsters Inc. ones now as well, and I think they're so cute. They did get me them in a small, which I'm a little large for a small. I'm a medium, but they do fit. It's just a little bit tight on my fat thighs, but we're going to squeeze into them because I love them. They too also got me bath bombs as well, because everybody knows I love a bath bomb, and I honestly cannot get enough, so I was really happy about that as well. I've actually already used one, so that one isn't here, and that one's called like Dragon Ball, I think, but they got me some from Lush. So they got this one, which is Sakura or something. I'll show you. It's this one, and it's actually got bath salts in it as well. Oh, and it smells amazing. but it's like pink, it's like a white bath bomb with pink and blue bits, and it's got some bath salts at the front. So this one is super cute and it actually smells amazing. And then they also got me this one, which is Deep Sleep, and it's very different. It's like this, it's in a bag, and I think it's lavender. Yeah, it's lavender. I love, that's probably one of my favourite smells is lavender. And it's in this little bag, and I went into Lush and asked them, am I meant to put it in the bag, in the bath? And they said, yeah, it's basically like a slow diffuser then, so it slowly comes out so it lasts for much longer. So I love that as well, and lavender really puts me to sleep and helps with my anxiety, so if I'm feeling stressed, I'm definitely going to be using that then. And they got me one more thing from Lush, which I've never used before, but again, this is meant to help with my anxiety, and this is called a sleepy soap, so I'll just get it out and show you. So this is it. It smells really, really nice. It's like a really weird smell, kind of like lavender, vanilla, but really creamy. But it's like a little lavender slab of soap basically, but it's meant to help with your anxiety. Another thing they got me, which I think is so useful and also may help with my anxiety as well, is this water bottle. How cool is this? It goes around your neck like that. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm going to try it later when I'm a bit colder in the evening. But yeah, so this is like, it says teddy bear. It's so soft, you would not believe how soft it is, and it's just like a neck hot water bottle, and I've never seen anything like that, and I think it's so cool. So thanks to my fam for getting me that, I really appreciate it. They also got me this perfume. My mum's now an FM consultant, so she got me this perfume which smells exactly like Jimmy Choo, which is one of my favourite perfumes, and it literally does smell exactly like it. It also lasts long as well. I was thinking, like, when everyone talks about the FM ones, I was thinking, well, they might be nice, but they probably don't stay on as long as like an actual nice perfume, but it actually does, and it smells identical. Like, you cannot tell the difference at all. Oh, it smells lovely. So she also got me one of these perfumes, which I think I'm going to buy a few more because they're really nice. Two more things from my mum and dad and my sister, which is this. Look how cool. So I always get my boyfriend to itch my back because I always get like an itchy back, and I'm like, itch it. So he obviously told my mum to get me a back scratcher, and also they got me a back massager, so you just whip it out, get it back there. Solid. So yeah, I've got these two things which are actually come in so handy. I had stopped using them. And the last thing that my little sister got me was just this little candle that has got butterflies coming out of it, and it just says have a brilliant birthday, and it's got a little tea light in there, so I can use this again and again, and I think it's really cute and pretty, and they know I love candles. So that was everything from my mum, dad and sister, so thanks for you guys for getting me them, because you got me loads and I'm really happy about it all, and I love them all. Something else I got from my boyfriend's mum was this cute little turtle statue. I absolutely love turtles, so this is really cute, and it's going to be sat on my stand in my front room. I love it and it's so cute. And she also got me some sweets as well, like a pack of Buenos and stuff, because I love them. So this is really cute, and thank you for that. And I think the last thing was from my brother, who he's just come back from the army a couple of days ago, so he didn't have time to go in town or get me anything or something. That's understandable. So I went in town to get me a present, but we went into Game, and I wanted to get the 2-point hospital for the Switch, but they didn't have it in stock, so he just sent me the money and I bought it on my laptop instead, and it's easier on my laptop as well because it's way easier to play it on there. So he got me that, so thanks Joseph for that as well. And the last thing is probably from everybody else in my family. They got me money or gift cards because it's way easier than them trying to get me presents if they don't know what I want. So my auntie, uncle, nan and granddad all gave me money. My nan, she went shopping with me a few weeks ago to a garden centre, and she got me a plant that I really wanted, and a plant pot, which is actually really, really nice. So she got me that. So my real dad lives in Yorkshire, so he sent me some money, and I ended up buying a bunch of Jeffree Star and Morphe stuff with the money that he gave me. So I got the Jeffree Star and Morphe beauty sponges here, and then I also got the Morphe and Jeffree Star eye brushes. The face brushes were out of stock, so I got the eye brushes here, which I've just used. And I also bought the Jeffree Star and Morphe setting spray, the refreshing mist, and this is in strawberry, and it literally smells so nice. But yeah, so that's what I got from my dad. And I think that is everything that I got for my birthday. I'm really, really grateful, and I'm grateful for the plans that happened on my birthday, and also all my presents. I literally got so much, way more than I deserve, I think. And yeah, I'm very grateful for all my presents. So on my actual birthday, we woke up early and opened my presents. Then my boyfriend had work for the day, so me and my mum, my brother and my sister all went for lunch and had an afternoon tea, which again I'll put a picture up here. It was really, really nice actually. And we just had a laugh, and then we come home and my mum and that come over, and we just played some Just Dance, which was really fun with all like 5 of us, and we had another barbecue as well. So we just sat around, had a barbecue, and then yeah, that was it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye!